Good evening vlog! Today is a Wednesday, January 14. It's a very special day kasi it's our Kiann's 6-month birthday! So for tonight, nothing fancy naman, but sinipag si Daddy magluto ng something that is slowly cooked. Wow! And actually, hindi ko na kayo ma-walk through the step-by-step process kasi simulan ko na siya. But I'm gonna show you what I'm cooking for tonight. So nakabili na rin tayo ng birthday cake. For now, papakita natin yung mga pinrepare natin for tonight's dinner. One dish lang siya, one dish. Nakaayos na ang veggies natin for tonight's dinner because we are making, you guess guys, may peanut butter. And peanut butter means kare-kare for dinner. So ipa-pan fry lang natin itong eggplants, then ipa-blanch natin itong green beans and bok choy. Pinapakuluan na natin yung beef tripe and also itong beef stew natin for the kare-kare. Alrighty. So yeah, assemble natin later on and we will blow Kiann's candle. Nice. And nakuha na ni Kiann yung swing niya. Thank you, Ate Barry and Ate Dika.
Thank you.
Merong pamana kay Kiann. Hand me down. Yes. Ganito pala pag may baby, guys. Yung living room nyo, very colorful na. Magiging makulay talaga ang buhay kapag may baby na Kiann. Now, what can you say? Yes. Oh, come on.
6 months.
You're so old.
No!
You're so old now. What's
Right?
try the bouncy.
I got this!
Pero,
Careful.
kailangan saglit lang.
Wow! Bounce. Ay, naka-tiptoe siya.
Matagal. Pwede.
Go, Kiann. Mag-bounce ka kaso kasi di niya paabot eh.
Try lang.
Try lang.
Hindi masyado.
Okay, apply ka lang dyan, ha? Epic fail. Paglaki na ulit niya. Balik natin siya dyan. Dinner is served. Beef kare-kare with some veggies. And of course, bagoong. You guys might be wondering, bakit nga ba nakahiwala yung veggies doon sa kare-kare? Is because merong isa dyan na hindi nagve-veggies.
Oh, no!
So, hiniwalay na lang natin siya para madali natin makuha. Lahat ng to para sa akin. Yummers! Let's eat! How's your dinner, Kiann? Ubus ang kare-kare.
Nice.
Hey. Let's blow your candle now. Okay. Yes. 6 months old. What's this, Kiann? What's this? Wow! Ang lakas! Ang lakas, oh! Ang lakas! Okay. Kiann, ah? Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kiann. Mwah. Make a wish. Yay!
You're okay.
Mwah.
You're okay.
Takot ka? Vegan! Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's just, lakas masyado ng fire. Sorry. Good morning, vlog! Today is a Friday. It's errands day. Kaya nag-leave tayo sa work to asikaso like multiple things for today. Number 1, we have a doctor's appointment. So we are on our way there to our pediatrician. Apart from that, magre-renew lang kami ng mga government IDs dito sa Toronto. Probably do a little bit of grocery run afterwards and meet some of our friends for dinner. Mommy.
Hello there.
Hello. Yeah, so it's gonna be a very busy day, but we're grateful because busy is always good.
True.
We hope to take you with us in our journey today. Huh? Journey, kala mo naman talaga. Just park here at Kiann's pediatrician. Grabe yung snow.
Oh no!
Sobrang thick. Even yung mga puno, grabe. Whoa! Yesterday kasi sobrang wild ng snowstorm dito sa Toronto. Intense. Like, look at this, guys. Look at the pile of snow. Oh my God! Crazy. Go, mommy. Kaya? All good? Kaya?
Kailangan ng winter tires.
Huh? Naka-winter tires po yung stroller namin.
Wait a minute!
Ay, hindi. Naka-winter tires daw. Wala na, madumi na. Thank you, mommy. Careful, it's wet. We are here at Kiann's Pedia.
One, two, three, up.
Go.
1, 2, 3, up.
Up. Excited to meet Dr. Shelberg again. You say Happy New Year. Oh, you're so happy now. You say hi.
I think he's getting the teeth are almost coming through.
Really?
Some swelling on the.
Ooh, you have your teeth now.
Yeah, he's talking, he's babbling. That's good.
Oh yeah, all the time.
Now
All
we're
the
gonna measure,
time.
see how big he is. 45 head circumference. Let's see how long he is.
Hmm.
Yeah, he's talking away.
Who's that? You say hi. What did I teach you?
Hi.
You say
And let's take
hi.
off his diaper and lie him on the scale.
Okay.
72.45.
Okay.
And then, so kulit.
May hair mo, oh. Para ka talagang si Jack Jack. You're so dal-dal naman. Very good night, Kiann. You have a good temperament daw, sabi ni doctor, because you're always smiling. Like daddy. Boop, boop. Done with our checkup. Yung laki niya daw pang 9 months. You're so big daw for your age. You're already you're just 6 months. And you look like 9 months na daw. Above average, which is good. Magiging basketball player ba? Kiann ka. So, sige, push mo yung winter tires natin. Dandan. I know. The inconvenience of snow. So now, we are on our way to Service, Ontario. Just park here at Don Mills. Ano bang plaza to? Skymark Plaza, Don Mills. Dito kami magpunta ng Service, Ontario and probably mag-groceries and no frills. According to Google, ito yung one of the highest rated Service, Ontario locations. So, dito tayo pumunta. And malapit lang dun sa Pedia Clinic ni Kiann. Bigat ni Kiann. Hindi tayo mag-vlog sa loob. We just finished our stop sa Service, Ontario. And now we are here at Costco kasi magpapagas kami. Bibili din kami ng mga stuff for our baby boy and some dairy products. Very quick Costco run lang before we meet our friends for dinner. Snowy weather.
Oh no!
In Canada. Crazy. Let's go. We are here. Merienda muna tayo saglit. Gising na ang Kiann. Just waiting for our order. Pizza lang si Mami. Then we'll do our quick grocery. Okay? Yum! What did you get? Cheese pizza. Nice. Sherpa pullover. Nakasin na. $14.99. Lumiliit kasi yung sweaters natin sa dryer eh. Ano ka ba? Extra small ka lang? Wala bang extra small? Oh, right. Kuha tayo ng bread. Check natin ang expiration. Usually mga 1 week to eh. January 27. Nice. That should be fine. Asawa ko. Wala asawa.
Oh no!
Wheat bread. Free taste. Yummers. Guys, zoom natin. Ilang samples kaya yung kinuha niyang pre-taste? Parang 3 yung hawak mo, ha? Vlog takeover.
Hello there. Hi guys, we're waiting for him. He's getting eggs and heavy cream. We're just here waiting. Right, Kiann? You say hi. Hi! So cozy.
Eggs. Heavy cream. Vlog takeover. 3 days.
Yeah, boy.
Sausage and beef? Parang lasagna siya. Not bad. But not good. Yum, merienda. Care of Costco.
Thank you.
Butter. Ooh, what is this? I want to try. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, some yogurt and granola. Oh, yeah. Daming pamerienda ng Costco. Napakagalante naman.
Chick milk, you want to give it a try?
Yeah, for sure.
What do you want to give it a try?
Oh, I thought your name is LeBron. Leron. Okay, my bad.
Close, but
It was close.
no cigar. I've been asked that before.
It's pretty close.
No one knows Leron. But everyone knows LeBron, right?
You have to make a name for yourself, yeah?
Exactly. I'm making my way up.
There you go. Appreciate you, man.
All right, you take care.
All right, you too. So guys, na-meet ko si Leron, di LeBron.
Wait a minute.
Leron. All done. Time to check out. Oh, yeah, there you go. One bill? Yes. Oh, you're scanning it for us.
Thank you.
Cool. All right, here. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Nice. That was quick. Thank you, Kuya. All good in the hood. Pagastan tayo then. We are going to Fairview Mall to meet our friends, Zia and Christian. Di naka-winter tires yung car. Ang hirap. Kaya mo yan. Mommy's got Kiann. I got the groceries. Grazi. Minsan lang maging ganito kalakas yung snow sa Toronto. Yesterday and today lang sobrang lakas ng snowstorm. Good thing we invested sa winter tires. So guys, pro tip, please, for the safety of your family and the people that are driving around you, invest on winter tires.
Isn't that amazing?
26.43 second natin. Punta na tayong Fairview Mall. Let's go. Just arrived here at Moxie's. How do you pronounce this? Moxie's. Huh? Moxie's. Meet lang namin sila Zia and Christian for dinner. Wild and snow, guys. Crazy. Proceed to the other entrance. Looks nice. Hello! Welcome to the vlog! Hello! Ang special guest natin for tonight. Did you say hi? Yes, hi! Wow! Wow!
Wait a minute.
Mini-me yan eh. Food is here. Sarap oh. Let's eat. Kiann. Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Simot oh. Yummers. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Did you have fun? Hala, nakakahiya naman, tita. Ay, oh sige, magka-Carters daw tayo, sabi ni Tita Zia mo, oh. Wow. Carters. Pinag-shopping ko nila, tita, oh. Oh, thank you, tita and tito. Wow. And say thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Zia. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bisita kayo anytime, ha? Bye. Bro, ingat, ha? Bye-bye. Ingat. Bye-bye. Good morning vlog! Today is a Saturday, January 17. Time check, it's already 8:07 a.m. And every Saturday morning, lagi tayo pumupunta sa basketball runs natin at downtown Toronto. Kaso late tayo nagising for today's video. Really excited to see the boys again. Mag-drive lang ako na mabilis kasi late na tayo. Bye guys! Sobrang late na natin. Dami kayang tao for today. As pa naman ang snow. Morning. Good to see you, man. How are you? Happy New Year, man. Good. Yes, sir. What's up, Chris?
Oh, what's going on, guys?
I'm good.
Episode 14. Counting this time.
Oh, yeah?
We're gonna go to Costco later today.
Costco?
Vietnamese place. I'm gonna tell Kiko.
Yo! You already know the tradition.
I got you, bro.
How's it going, man? Good to see you.
All right, I'll get you all set up.
Alrighty. Great to see the boys. Let's get sorted up. Done with the runs. Feeling much better jumping around after having that gruesome knee injury before. Next week we're gonna have that basketball tournament sa La Liga with some of the boys as my teammates. So yeah, looking forward to that. See you guys in a bit. We just got home from the Saturday basketball run. Nagluto tayo for lunch. Also, today is a very special day for our Kiann kasi it is the first time that he will try solid food. So we're thinking probably an avocado puree for his first solid food kasi medyo dun siya pinaglihi nung buntis pa si wifey kay Kiann. Ang niluto natin for lunch is chicken salpicao using chicken breast for the gains. And of course, eggs. Nice. And alam ko medyo peculiar yung combo. Some kimchi. So we'll just finish our lunch. After magising ni baby boy, we'll vlog yung pagkain ng first ever solid food niya. Let's eat! Yeah! Gising na ang Kiann. Nakakainis ka. You scratch your face. Naka-sleepsock na yan, guys. Ay, ang kulit-kulit talaga. May sugat tuloy. Eat muna tayo ng milk mo, baby. Then we will try some avocados. Yung buong mukha niya, parang siya nagpa-facial. Nani? Para kang pumunta sa Let's Face It. What's this? What's this? Milk. No heads. All done. All done with milk. Look at your face. Oh.
No!
Wow. Barber's cut po, bossing. Para kang papagupit. Oh. Ay, avocado. How is it?
You like it?
Is it yummy? Oh. Yummers. Hey.
Yummy?
You're looking at daddy. Very good. Diyan ka pinaglihi, be. It tastes familiar, Dad. Yes, because mommy always eats avocados when you're inside mommy's tummy. Oh, tastes fam.
Ay, gusto niya.
More, mommy, more. Very good, Kiann. No. First water. Your first water.
Marunong siya.
Oh, very good. Ayan o. Ang very good ang Kiann ka. ka. That basic naman ito. Wala bang soft drinks dyan?
I got this!
Good job, my love. Good job. Omar? Or Grob? Grabe si Bossing. Sumakses ang Kiann.
Done eating ang Kiann ko. Right? Is it yummy? Huh? Was it yummy? What can you say dun sa first food mo, huh? You like avocados, huh? Look at his skin. Very dewy.
Wow! Dewy. Nag-skincare kasi siya.
It's better now since nilagyan na namin siya ng Vaseline. Siguro sa pag-sleep niya lang. But now it's okay.
Yeah.
Di na masyado namumula.
For this weekend, chill lang kami kasi medyo hataw kami the whole week.
Bye-bye!
Okay, bye-bye. Bye!